Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Fab Food Fridays with Farah, and I'm going to show you how I made some honey jerk wings. So what I did was I have a separate video with how I make my Haitian Epis. The link will be in the description box, but I start by adding some Haitian Epis or green seasoning to my chicken. And then you could see that I'm taking my hands to make sure that all the green seasoning is fully, it fully covers the chicken. These are my ingredients. I have honey, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I have some jerk seasoning, wet jerk seasoning. The Pam is optional if you want to spray. I have ground ginger, ground allspice, and some soy sauce along with some butter. So what I usually like to do is go ahead and add my seasoning to a bowl, mix it up, and add it to the meat. This is the paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'll have the measurements in the description box as well. I go ahead and I add that to my chicken, which has the green seasoning, and it makes it so good. The flavor is amazing. Then I make sure to take it and, take my hands, move it around, because this ensures that all your seasoning will get into your chicken and make sure that it's extremely seasoned. I took a quick pic of how it looked. I thought this looked so beautiful. So I move on to making my jerk sauce for the chicken. And this has the honey, ground ginger, ground spice, jerk seasoning, the wet and dry, of course. Like make it into a like a paste in a sense with the added ingredients. And I'm doing the same thing, taking my hands and making sure everything is in there and it's good. So I went ahead, sprayed using the Pam to make sure nothing sticks, none of the chicken sticks. And this is me laying the chicken on the rack and showing a quick clip of how it looked in the oven. And this is the results of it coming out of the oven. And here I have my butter, and I'm adding the honey to the butter along with the soy sauce. And I take the butter and pour it all over the chicken, and then I'm going to give it a good toss. I didn't get a clip of that, but this is the end result of my honey jerk wings. I hope you enjoy it. If you go ahead and try it, please let me know the end results. I would love to hear about it. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video. It's greatly appreciated. See you next time.